Optimizing Salesforce reports and dashboards. In today's data-driven world, having access to valuable insights can make all the difference in driving key business decisions. By following best practices for creating and optimizing reports and dashboards, you can unlock the full power of Salesforce and take your business to the next level. Salesforce Introduction. Salesforce is a powerful tool that allows businesses to track and analyze their data in real time. Reports and dashboards are essential features that help users visualize and understand their data more effectively. However, with the vast amount of data available, it's easy to get overwhelmed and not know where to start. That's where optimizing Salesforce reports and dashboards comes in. Best practices for optimizing Salesforce reports and dashboards. Define your goals and KPIs. Before diving into creating reports and dashboards, it's important to define your business goals and key performance indicators, KPIs. By clearly outlining your objectives, you can tailor your reports and dashboards to provide actionable insights that align with your goals. Keep it simple and focused. When designing reports and dashboards, less is often more. Avoid cluttering your visuals with unnecessary information or overwhelming charts. Instead, focus on presenting the most relevant data that directly relates to your goals. Utilize filters and drill-down capabilities. Take advantage of Salesforce's filter and drill-down capabilities to provide users with more interactive and personalized insights. Filters allow users to narrow down the data to specific criteria, while drill-down functionality enables them to explore deeper layers of information. Regularly review and refine your reports and dashboards. Optimizing Salesforce reports and dashboards is an ongoing process. It's important to regularly review and refine your visuals to ensure they are still relevant and effective. Keep track of key metrics and user feedback to identify areas for improvement. Conclusion. In conclusion, optimizing Salesforce reports and dashboards is essential for gaining valuable insights and driving decision-making in your business. By following best practices such as defining goals, keeping visuals simple, utilizing filters and drill-down capabilities, and regularly reviewing and refining your reports, you can make the most of Salesforce's powerful features.